Welcome back to the channel. This is Steve. Welcome back to the Tired Dad Tech. This quick little video is in response to a viewer. Let's see if I can bring him over here. The viewer Osco4311. He had a question. He wanted to see if I can kind of reshoot this from a top-down or a 45-degree angle. Here you go, man. This is for you. Thank you for watching. I'm just going to review what I did here. This is an old video from way back. I'm going to put a link in the description here. This video is inspired by another video that I saw from Barnacules, like way back. So I'm very happy that this video is actually still getting attention. That's so awesome. So anyway, first thing we got to do is, where's my little knife? I don't have my needle nose, but I do have a pair of pliers. There's this little clip that's got to come off first. This guy up here. So I'm just going to get in here, twist it up, and just slide this little clip right out. And that comes off. Hopefully that stays in focus. I am kind of close right there. Now everything else is kind of easy. It all just kind of comes off. Remember though to keep track of where everything is. So I have this washer here. And then all this just kind of comes off in one piece. Nice and easy. Now this is the area that's in question. This goopy mess. So this is the part that actually, I just shook the camera, sorry guys. This is the part that has to be lubricated with white lithium grease. And all this just comes apart. Just take it all apart in pieces. Note what direction it goes back in, lube it all up, and put it back together. So that's really it. There's not much to this, to this fix. It was just very straightforward. The points to keep in mind is to make sure that you have a workspace to put all of these pieces on. Make sure that you have a towel. Make sure that you've got lithium grease. Take yours apart first. See what it's like. So all this comes off one piece at a time, and just note in which order that they go back in, and you're good to go. Just lube everything up. Now the point of issue is this is the part that actually is what's vibrating. This is the part is what makes that like loud clicking noise. I still have a squeak that's from in here somewhere. I'm not worried about that. I was worried about that really loud annoying click that comes across in my recordings and in my live streams. So all this goes together, nice and easy. Then you put your cap back on. Put this back on, and it'll all slide in nicely. Pops off at the top. Put your retaining washer back, and then slide this little guy back on. Eventually, probably better with something with a little bit of force. There we go. And clip that piece back on. Osco4311, I hope that answers your question. I hope that gave you a much better view of what I did last year. Hope this fixes your problem, and I really appreciate you watching. I really appreciate you commenting. And this goes to all of you guys. Please leave questions. I will be glad to answer them for you as soon as I can. All right, again, this is Steve with the Tired Dad Tech. Let me know if this helped you out. Leave a like for the video and subscribe for more shenanigans like this. And as always, I will see you.